The allure of the rich red hues adorning various fruits often captivates our senses, prompting us to ponder their benefits beyond mere aesthetics. These crimson gems are not just visually appealing, they are also replete with nutrients that offer significant support to our nervous system. In this video, we embark on a journey to uncover the invaluable roles these red fruits play in not only tantalizing our taste buds, but also in supporting and repairing nerve health. Before delving into the countdown of the top 8 red fruits to repair nerve damage, a gentle reminder to newcomers: don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more insightful content. Make sure to stick around till the end as we unveil the remarkable benefits of the final fruit on our list, the red apple, symbolizing simplicity and goodness, and offering vital support for our nerve health. Number 1. Strawberry. Beyond its juicy sweetness, strawberries boast an impressive nutritional profile, abundant in vitamin C and antioxidants. Vitamin C, renowned for its health benefits, extends its prowess beyond immunity, playing a pivotal role in collagen production crucial for maintaining the integrity of nervous system tissues. Meanwhile, the antioxidants in strawberries, such as flavonoids and phenolic acids, work tirelessly to combat inflammation and oxidative stress, common culprits behind nerve damage. Picture our body as a complex network of wires. Oxidative stress and inflammation can fray these wires. Yet, strawberries, akin to skilled electricians, step in to patch up the damage, ensuring seamless signal transmission. Incorporating strawberries into your diet emerges as a logical choice for maintaining optimal nerve function, given their natural abundance of nutrients. In essence, strawberries are not just a delightful treat, they are a potent, nutrient-packed solution for nurturing nerve health. Number 2. Cherries. Cherries, claiming a spot on our list, are not only delightful in taste but also harbor significant health benefits. Revered for their deep red hue and tangy sweetness, cherries hold secrets beyond mere flavor. Dubbed nature's sleep potion, they are rich in melatonin, the hormone crucial for regulating our sleep cycle. Packed with vitamins A and C, along with potent antioxidants, cherries act as a Swiss Army knife for shielding nerves and enhancing sleep quality. Imagine cherries as personal nighttime guardians, guiding us into peaceful slumber while aiding our nervous system in healing and repair. The antioxidants in cherries play a pivotal role in combating oxidative stress, crucial for preventing nerve damage, especially as we age. Incorporating cherries into your nighttime routine, whether as a post-dinner snack or in a soothing smoothie, not only satisfies your palate but also promotes better sleep and maintains nerve health. Number 3. Raspberries. Raspberries, occupying a spot on our list, emerge as the unsung heroes of the fruit bowl. Despite their small size, these mighty berries pack a nutritional punch that's hard to ignore. With their rich content of dietary fiber, vitamin C and E, and an army of antioxidants, raspberries distinguish themselves as the health experts among fruits. They serve as nature's own health consultants, advising on effective ways to reduce inflammation and shield cells from daily wear and tear, crucial for maintaining a robust nervous system. Vitamin E, abundant in raspberries, acts as a protective shield for nerve cell membranes, defending against damage. In the midst of our bustling lives, where oxidative stress and inflammation are constant threats, raspberries, with their antioxidant prowess, play a vital role in safeguarding nerve cells, ensuring their health and functionality. Number 4. Red grapes. Red grapes claim a significant spot in our countdown, symbolizing sophistication in culinary realms. These small, juicy orbs are not only a delight to the palate but also a powerhouse of resveratrol, known for enhancing blood flow crucial for nerve repair and health. Loaded with antioxidants and vitamins, red grapes work synergistically to combat oxidative stress and inflammation, ensuring nerve cells thrive. Enhanced blood circulation facilitates the delivery of nutrients and oxygen to nerve cells, aiding in their repair and maintenance. Additionally, the antioxidants in red grapes act as a protective entourage, neutralizing free radicals and reducing inflammation, safeguarding against nerve damage over time. Number 5. Cranberries. Cranberries secure the second spot on our list, often overshadowed in the fruit basket despite their tart flavor and vibrant color. Beyond holiday meals, they play a pivotal role in promoting health, particularly in preventing urinary tract infections, UTIs, and supporting nerve health. Packed with vitamin C, E, and fiber, cranberries act as protective older siblings for nerves, ensuring their resilience. Vitamin C aids in collagen production, vital for tissue repair and nervous system integrity, while vitamin E serves as a potent antioxidant, shielding nerve cells from oxidative stress. This vitamin duo, along with cranberries' dietary fiber, not only supports nerve health but also enhances overall well-being by improving digestion and reducing inflammation. Cranberries' ability to prevent UTIs indirectly supports nerve health by maintaining a clear urinary tract, allowing the body to focus on other health areas, making them a formidable ally in your dietary arsenal. Number 6. Watermelon. Watermelon claims a vital spot on our list as the quintessential summer refreshment. Beyond its thirst-quenching allure, it's a nutrient powerhouse rich in vitamins A, C, and B6, and abundant in lycopene, a potent antioxidant. Lycopene, responsible for its vibrant red color, offers protection against cell damage and inflammation, crucial for maintaining a healthy nervous system. Vitamins A and C, along with lycopene, form a dynamic trio that combats oxidative stress, while vitamin B6 ensures the seamless function of the nervous system's complex network by facilitating neurotransmitter creation. Watermelon emerges as a strategic choice for supporting overall health and ensuring optimal nervous system performance. Number 7. Pomegranates. Pomegranates, dubbed the jewels of the fruit world, act as nature's protective gear for the nervous system. Their antioxidants, puny collagen and tannins, shield against free radicals, preventing oxidative stress and potential nerve damage. Studies suggest their potential in treating neurodegenerative diseases, underlining their role in combating neuroinflammation and oxidative stress. Additionally, pomegranate's vitamin C aids collagen formation, crucial for nerve tissue integrity, while potassium supports nerve function. Number 8. Red apples. Red apples stand out not only for their universally beloved taste, but also for their remarkable health benefits. These fruits, with their inviting color and crisp bite, exemplify the notion that common choices can be exceptionally beneficial. Packed with a nutritious blend of vitamin C, fiber, and a host of antioxidants, red apples become a perfect daily staple for anyone seeking to support their nerve health. Among the antioxidants found in red apples, quercetin emerges as a standout. This powerful compound acts as a peacekeeper within the body, wielding anti-inflammatory properties that protect and repair nerve tissue. Quercetin serves as a guardian, diligently working to keep inflammation at bay, thereby maintaining a healthy nervous system and enhancing overall resilience against life's daily stresses. Whether blended into a morning smoothie, added to salads for a crunchy texture, or enjoyed fresh as a snack, red apples offer versatility and health benefits in every bite. They embody the notion that maintaining health can be as simple and enjoyable as biting into a juicy apple. This concludes our vibrant journey through the world of red fruits, showcasing their deliciousness and their role as powerful allies in maintaining and enhancing nerve health. Integrating these nutritional powerhouses into your diet involves making mindful choices to nurture your nerves, without the need for overnight dietary overhauls. While focusing on incorporating these red fruits into your diet is a positive step, let's not overlook the broader picture of leading a balanced lifestyle. Regular exercise, proper hydration, and adequate rest are equally crucial for supporting your nervous system's health. Now it's your turn to join the conversation. Share your thoughts on incorporating these red fruits into your diet. Do you have any favorite recipes or tips for enjoying them? Perhaps you've experienced first-hand benefits or have questions about getting started. Drop your insights and experiences in the comments below. Let's continue learning from each other's journeys toward better health. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share with friends and family, and subscribe for more content dedicated to nurturing your well-being. Consider sending a super thanks as a token of gratitude for the effort put into creating this video. Your support enables us to continue bringing you insightful and helpful content. Thank you for joining us on this colorful exploration of making informed and delicious choices for our nerve health. See you in the next video.